What's going on YouTube? It's your boy CJ Brand here, and on today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing video. But this time we're going to be unboxing something very different, something I never thought I would actually buy. But I went ahead and went to Micro Center, picked it up. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Before we do that, make sure you guys go ahead and do me one big favor. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell for some more videos. Also hit the link in the description for this product as well. Let's go ahead and get right into it. So we're going to be unboxing this RedDragon Scepter Pro. This right here is a gaming headset. This bad boy right here features RGB lighting as well. It also comes with 10 lightning modes. You also get a USB-C connector with it. And you also will be getting like the USB port dust cover, and then, you know, a couple more features with this. So I really like this bad boy for one, because it actually includes the 4 USBs, it will be very convenient. Say for instance, if you're charging up one of your, you know, Xbox controllers, even hell, your PlayStation controller, you know, you be charging up your PlayStation controller as well. You can go ahead and connect it to this right here. That way it'll be saving you so much space at your desk instead of having to plug up everything to the wall, running out of power bricks. You got 4 of them right here. Just plug it up, charge it up, and you're all good. Another good feature about this bad boy as well, it also comes with a USB-C power cord. So that means this is right here going to be powered by the USB-C cable, you know, like everything else pretty much is around the world now. New tech. So that's right there. It also has 4 USB ports. The gaming headset also comes with an aluminum support bar as well. It gives us like a real neat, you know, little slate look or whatever to it. It's going to look real good on my computer. So let me go ahead and unbox this bad boy for you guys on the camera. So let's go ahead and get right into it. But before we do that, I went ahead and, you know, retired our kitchen knife. So now we got, oh my god, we went ahead and got us one of these. This right here is from M-Tech. Bought this off of Amazon probably for like $13 probably actually. So let's go ahead and get this bad boy right here unboxed. Alright, so yeah, as you guys see right here, this is right here is going to be the USB power cord. You will just need one power brick, you know, obviously, you know, to charge it up. But after that, you won't have to worry about getting another one. Like I said, it comes with 4 connectors. So here goes the USB-C to USB. Then, let's see. Also in here, okay, let's go ahead and pull the stand out. Comes in this little bag. I won't say it's packed neatly, but who knows, could have been, you know, shipping error. So yeah, here goes the stand right here. It looks real nice. Like I said, has a nice, like, you know, aluminum bar right here. It's definitely going to match the ALC gaming monitor we do have. That's everything. It's in the box, honestly. Okay, cool. Action. We have the user manual. This right here, yeah. So it looks like this supports OS Windows XP, Vista, Windows 7, 8, and 10. So I don't think this doesn't support the Mac apparently, but I'm not for sure, you know, what you would need it for, you know, plugging up computer wise, I guess. So who knows? And then we also have the RedDragon sticker right here. Looks pretty nice as well. So like I said, let's look into this right here. I'm really liking this. Like I said, we got like the 4 USB. We got 2 on the side, and then we have 2 more additional ones on the top with the dust cover. And then we the USB-C connector is right here. I'm pretty sure I don't know why. It made it seem like that there was like an additional USB-C where you can actually connect, you know, like a computer up with it, you know, that supports it, but I guess not. But it's whatever. So yeah. So you guys have it. That right there was a RedDragon Scepter Pro gaming headset stand. We're going to be going ahead and testing that out, you know, just putting it on the desk and see what's going on with it. So until next time, make sure you guys go ahead and like and comment on this video, and be sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell for some more content, and we'll be back with some more content. Peace out.